welcome to this episode of Plan Your 2019. I'm really excited about this one because it's a fun one. We are talking about your planner. Yay! Yes, you need a place where you can be organized, where you can organize your life, so you need a planner. I know I'm preaching to the choir here, but why not? It's fun! Get yourself a planner, whether that's free printables that you found online or the most expensive leather planner that you can find. It doesn't matter. Whatever floats your boat, you need a planner that makes you smile. So today we are either going to research the planner that you're going to use for 2019. We're talking about your main planner that's going to organize your day-to-day. So if you've got themed planners, whatnot, that's extra. We're not talking about that today. If you've already decided, if you've already purchased your planner for 2019, then I want you to set it up. Now, I know it takes a long time to set up a planner. If you do have the time, take it, have fun with it, set up your planner. But if you don't have time today, grab a sticker sheet or a paper clip or something and just add something to your planner that makes you smile. So, just to recap, you're going to either research and decide what planner you're going to use, purchase it if you already know but you haven't purchased it, and if you do have it and it's in your hot little hands, then put at least one little planner clip in it to decorate it and make you smile. So for me, the planner that I'm using in 2019 is the same planner that I've been using for a while, and I'm using it in a TN. It's the Commit 30 printable version. I like to print my own inserts and add them to my TN. It's an A5, so all I have to do is fold the pages in half because I'm in Europe and we use A4 paper. So let me know in the comments below what planner you're using for your day-to-day tasks for 2019. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know when the next episode of Plan Your 2019 is up. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm here every day this month. It's so fun, but it's a lot of hard work. But yeah, we're enjoying ourselves, right? Give this video a big thumbs up and have a fantastic day and happy planning.